In this short video, we'll go over the vocabulary answers for the second reading on page 193 in your textbook in Unit 10. And then we'll look at the Quizlet for reading 2. Number 1, photographers feel disappointed if they miss a great moment to take a shot. So disappointed is like feeling sad. So you maybe wanted something, but it didn't happen. So the feeling would be disappointed. Number 2, according to David Griffin, the best photographers make an emotional connection. According to basically means she says, or he says, or said. So this means that David Griffin said the best photographers make an emotional connection. Number 3, it can be difficult to remain calm when you're in a dangerous situation. So calm is the opposite of excited. Number 4, Brimberg's photo shows the close relationship between a mother and a child. So a relationship is between two people, and it's the connection they have. Number 5, although the young refugees at photo camp are amateur photographers, the photos they took were incredible. Incredible means like awesome, amazing. Like if you see the Grand Canyon or some other site that's so beautiful, your mouth will probably open and say, wow. Yeah, so that's incredible. Number 6, David Griffin was frightened when he saw his son caught in a big wave. So frightened is an adjective, but it has an ed ending, so it looks like a past tense verb. But frightened means how he felt. So he felt frightened, he felt bored. So ed can make a word into an adjective. So it can tell you how you feel. So he felt frightened. Number 7, digital cameras allow people to view a photo immediately after they take it. So right away. You need to ask photographers for permission before using a photo that belongs to them. So the photo is something they own, like your shoes. They belong to you. Okay, so those are your 8 words. I'm going to repeat the pronunciation for each one. And you can repeat it after me by yourself. Number 1, belongs. Frightened. Incredible. Calm. Immediately. Relationship. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the Quizlet for these 8 words. Number 1, this is an adjective. It means very good or surprising. The answer is incredible. So, for example, the sunrise this morning was incredible. A sunrise like you've never seen before. So beautiful. It's incredible. Okay, this is an adverb, without delay, at once. Immediately. So it's something that happens right now. For example, if I'm carrying a piece of furniture and it's too heavy, I might say, I need your help immediately, meaning right now. A verb, to be owned by someone, like a purse, sneakers, a watch, a phone. Belong to. So this phone belongs to me. The watch belongs to you. An adjective meaning afraid or feeling fear. So she feels this way. She feels frightened. So remember, sometimes an ed ending is not a verb in the past tense. Sometimes it's how you feel. Frightened. So this monster with the big hands is actually frightening. Frightening with an ing ending, meaning that it's a characteristic of this monster or person. But with an ed ending, it means how you feel. So there's an exercise due on Thursday this week that has you practice the difference between adjectives ending in ed, like frightened, or ing, like frightening. Adjective, not excited, nervous, or upset, is calm. So she feels very calm when she's meditating or doing yoga. When you look at the ocean and the water is not moving very much, we say the ocean is calm. When there are lots of waves, it's not calm. A noun, connection between two or more people or things. So this couple here has a relationship, a connection between them. It could be a positive relationship, it looks like a good one, or it could be a negative relationship. Maybe they fight all of the time. This is a preposition, a complex preposition, as stated or reported by someone or something. So this is the author of Harry Potter. According to. So according to the author of Harry Potter, and then you would say what she said. An example for me, according to Sharon, the final exam will be next week. That means Sharon said the final exam will be next week. It's another way to say that, using this prepositional, complex preposition, according to Sharon. And finally, the adjective, upset because something you hoped for has not happened or has not been good, successful, etc., as you expected or hoped for, is disappointed. For example, I was so disappointed that she forgot to pick me up after school. Or I was disappointed I didn't get a 100% grade on my test. So kind of sad, and you had a hope, and your hope and dream didn't happen. You feel this way, disappointed. This is also an ed ending, so it's telling you how you feel, just like frightened. Okay, that's it for now.